Hey guys, today I'm gonna shut my sister in the refrigerator. All right, stand there, stand. And are you sure you want to just scream when you want to get out? Okay?
Yeah.
You need to hold on. We need to move some items so you can actually sit in the refrigerator. All right, sit in the refrigerator. Like, can you sit? Can you squeeze in there? Okay. Are you good? You might have to turn around and sit down. Like, try to bend.
I can't. I can't do that.
Can you bend your head down?
No. I
You might have to
can't.
go the other way. Hold on. Try to get in. Tell me when you're good so I can shut the refrigerator and show the viewers.
I'm not good.
Try.
I still can't.
Okay, let me move all the items from the bottom of the thing.
I'll get to do. Who put lemon in it?
I don't know. Just leave it. Now get try.
No.
Nah. Anyways, try to get in now. Okay, that works. All right, guys. Oh my God, the juice is in the way. My sister's in here, ready to shut it in 3, 2, 1. Alright, guys, she's in the refrigerator. Alright, S, do you want the camera in the refrigerator?
Yeah.
This time? Alright. You guys, I'm gonna set you in right
That was
here.
super fun.
Alright, get in the refrigerator. Get in the refrigerator.
Why?
Get so they can see you in the refrigerator. You say you wanted to. Alright, guys. Let's see if you can see Essence. Okay, they can't see you, so I'd have to move this somewhere else. Okay. Well, guys, that was how I put my sister in the refrigerator. Here she is. Anyways, bye.